Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can deal with community guidance violation on TikTok. There are two main important steps that you should consider. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app. The first community guidance issue that you could have is you publish a video that is either marked or labeled, or someone actually reported, some of your competitors, the video, the content, and the content has been removed. And you get this notification over here from TikTok, and usually it says community guidance, the video has been removed, right? What you can do about it is you can first appeal to the video, right, and wait for the decision. 100% of the cases when this happened to me, I was able to get the video up and running again. I always win the appeal cases. But this is a constant issue, and this has been going for so long until you actually figure it out who is reporting your content or what kind of hashtag you should not use. So pro tip number one is change the hashtags, because sometimes particular type of content or people who are following the content are reporting the video. I can give you an example. I used to have a whole page dedicated to real estate, and there was a particular hashtags that when I use, my videos always were taken down. The videos were always having so many spam and bot comments. Then I shift the hashtags. I haven't had a single video taken down or community guidance violation. And if you had persistent issue even when you actually change the hashtags, what you can go is simply you can go back over here. You can click on your profile picture, click on the top right corner when you see the three red lines. Then you go on the settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down, and you can click report a problem. This works perfectly fine. Always you want to submit a report. Like I mentioned earlier, you want to go over here and you can simply say whatever you'd like to. Last time I gave you this example over here where people couldn't get the live stream option because they don't have 1,000 followers, and you simply submit a message similar to this one, and majority of the people simply receive the function. So report a problem works always. Sometimes you just need to spam the support a little. You have to send them multiple messages. With every single message, just add a little more information so they will be able to respond. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.